What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here, beautiful Friday morning on our way to New Hampshire, Laconia Bike Week. We got our buddies, Cycle Fanatic, Gil, and we got Glenn. We're gonna head out there, have fun, have a good weekend. We're leaving today on Friday. We'll be back on Monday. We're meeting up with a bunch of people, about 14 bikes out there. They're all John's friends, big guy and all of them. So yeah, so we're here in at the Quick Check on Route 17 by Rawway, and we're gonna get going. You know what I mean? We're gonna show you the bikes real quick. Of course, you know, we got Cycle Fanatic. This bike. Peep it, peep it. He's got the 128 big bore kit. And we got Glenn's, I think it's 124 big bore kit. He just got it done. Look at that. Probably one of the cleanest Road Kings I've ever seen. Clean. He's got the tour pack when he travels now. Of course, you know I got my bike right there. CVO. I actually got a new filter right before we left. It's brand new. You know me, I like to keep everything on top notch. And of course, we got the filter right there, so it won't spill anything on there into the inside. And we got also Gil's Street Glide here. Very nice. Pretty cool. We got the fellas here. Good morning.
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Can't wait. We're gonna have fun, and it's gonna be a great weekend.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. All right, guys. We're gonna vlog throughout the trip, and we're probably gonna do like one gas stop before we get there, and once we get there, we'll hit you up. Alright guys, we made our first pit stop here. We did about 170 miles, and we got about 3 hours left to go. Bikes are doing well. The guys are just chatting around real quick, and we're gonna continue to hit the road in a few minutes. Just gassing up, and just had some pineapples. Alright.
Harley. I don't even remember what year it was, but it was a stolen bike that was in that garage for God knows how many years. I lived in New York. I wrote to Albany to try to get a title, and it wasn't reported as stolen. So they sent me back the fucking title. My wife wouldn't get on it. So I had it for about a year, and I said, I gotta get rid of this thing now. She's pregnant, and I got a fucking motorcycle in the garage that she won't get on. And
That's it.
I sold it, but I paid $50 for it.
Huh.
But
Good deal.
it was stolen though, but it wasn't reported.
All right, guys, we have reached here at the Kancamagus Mountain. Actually, right before we enter the Kancamagus Mountain, we stopped by, ran into this guy. He's got a beautiful, beautiful bike here. All right, nice couple, all the way from Connecticut, so they're pretty close. It's my bike right there. So we're about to eat some lunch. It's about 2:30 right now, and we're about to eat some lunch and gas up, and then we're gonna go to the White Mountain National Forest. Stop by for today, and then tomorrow we're gonna do Mount Washington. As all you know, I'm gonna redeem myself from last time I was there with my boy G, that we actually had a tip over. It was actually 80 miles an hour that day. So I don't know, the weather's kind of cloudy, so I might have to go through that again. Hopefully not. Definitely gear up. It's a little colder up here. See, got the heated gear. But yeah, I need to redeem myself. That's why I actually came back with my boys. And yeah, we're gonna do it up. All right, so stay tuned.
Good, how's it going?
Great.
All right.
We're at the Kancamagus Mountain. Beautiful, beautiful scenic view. All right, we got John here with the drone action. Soon to come to my channel is the drone. So I'm working on getting the DJI 2S. It's like a B. So what is it doing right now? It's hovering, right?
I'm recording you.
Nice. What's up? Barber CVO in the building.
Where you guys from? Oh yeah? You mind if I put you in the video?
John, take a picture of the kid's birthday. Put him in the video.
Huh?
Happy birthday.
You mind if he's in my video? What's your name? What is it? Nathan? All right.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Check the YouTube channel. Next week you'll be in the video.
All right, so John's about to take off. And there he goes. Was it calibrating or something?
No.
Oh, it's just hovering?
No.
So that's up. Oh, damn. See ya. So at that point, you don't even... At that point, you don't even see up, right? You just stare there.
Yeah, I don't even look at it because I have no idea where it is. Look.
It's up there.
I don't even see it.
It's above you. Johnny's flying. Where,
Tell them the name of the channel so they
I
can.
did already.
Oh, okay. Thanks, bro.
For the next, Cycle Fanatics for the next.
There you go. Birthday boy.
There's some good footage of Tom Bear Mountain you did with the drone. Oh, yeah, look. Check it out.
And you can follow my channel too as well. The video will be on there. Barber CVO 19.
Barber CVO 19.
It's not COVID, but Custom vehicle operations. All right. All right. You guys are from here?
No, we live in Bushwood.
Where?
Cape Cod, Massachusetts.
Wow.
Oh, we're from Jersey.
Oh,
Yeah. Yep. We just got here now.
We did too.
Nice.
Yeah, we're going.
Enjoy your birthday. Steakhouse. If you're ever in the Kancamagus area, they have, I mean, New Hampshire, if you guys didn't know, it's known for its lobster. So you see the lobster, established 1986. So we're about to see what it's all about. We got the fellas coming over there. See the mountains over there. And there's one.
Oh yes, that's Chardonnay. Yes.
Are you here, okay?
Just so you guys see how the food is here, check it out. Pretty good.
All right. Is there anything else that you all may need?
No, that's about it. Thank you.
Look at his dessert. What did you get? The lava cake? Yeah. I took the raspberry cheesecake. Check this out. Insane. Oh, that looks good. Come on, bite into that, man.
How good is it?
That's real good.
Cheesecake and beer is not best
now with this beer. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to jog in the morning. Well, I'll probably have to jog to Mount Washington.
I'll be sleeping while you're jogging.
I'm gonna jog.
We stopped by over here to see John's friends. They stopped by. A big guy's actually staying here, so we stopped by to say what's up for a few minutes, and we're gonna check out their bikes.
That's Paul's bag. Hector's bag is on the right side, yeah.
This guy wrote to you, John, and he said,
Ooh, I like that bike right there.
and I put,
Very nice.
who cares about fuel economy? Who cares about fuel economy?
All right, guys, we have arrived here at the house. Beautiful, beautiful house. Double driveway. Look at that. Dope. Got the bikes, garage, everything there. All right, so we're actually done with the video for today. We had a lot of footage on the mountains, on the highway, everything. Tune in for tomorrow, this video. We're gonna do Mount Washington. All right, like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about today's video, and see you tomorrow. Peace.